In this video, I will show you how to download and install Quizlet on desktop. So to get started, go ahead and open Quizlet on your desktop device. Now make sure you're signed in into your account. Now at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to find these three dots beside your user profile. So you need to click on that. So hover your mouse at the top right of your screen. Now, under that, you'll be able to find this cast, save, and share. So click on that and then click on install Quizlet and then click on install to confirm installing Quizlet on your desktop device. And after that, Quizlet will automatically be installed into your desktop device. You can also find the shortcut of this application on your home screen, and that's basically how you can download and install Quizlet on desktop.